Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About sin 2x, we need to change for 2 sin x, cosine x. Cosine x with cosine x, we have cosine x squared. Next, we need to use about integration. Integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cosine x du. We have negative sin x ds. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so we put the negative next to du. Next, we need to change the bounds. When s equal to number 0, so we put number 0 gone here. So u equal to number 1. When s equals to b over 2, so we change for u equal to number 0. Because cosine of b over 2 in here, we got about 0. Number 0 we change for number 1. b over 2 we change for number 0. Cosine x we change for u. This one we change for u square. Sin s ds we change for negative du. Because we have the negative sign in here, so we can swap the top and the bottom together. So we have the integration from 0 to number 1. This one I need to change a little bit. So I need to add about 2u. Later that we need to minus about 2u. Next, I need to add about 2. Later that, I need to minus about number 2. So, because I want to create the factor to divide by u plus 1. This one, we have 2u multiplied by u plus 1. This one, I will put negative number 2. So this one divide by this one divide by this one. And now we can get the final answer. The integration of u, we have u squared over 2. The integration of number 2, we have 2u. The next one is about ln of the absolute value of u plus 1. And we put the bounds in here. From 0 to number 1. And now we can get the final answer. So we know that this one you got 0, this one you got 0, ln of number 1 you got 0. So we just have this one left. So this one we have number 1, this one is about number 2, this one is about number 2. And we have negative number 1 plus 2 ln number 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.